guys, there's a problem in this radar. It's JRC 9210 X-band radar. So this radar is not showing echo. So we troubleshoot this system and we found the magnetron is weak. So we changed the magnetron, and now as you guys can see, it's showing echo, and also the bearing is out. So we align the EI's target with radar echo. Let me do on some other range. As you guys can see, the performance is good. Let me run the performance test for you guys. As you guys can see that the performance test is good.